If you've ever wondered how to merge table cells in LibreOffice Writer, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the exact steps to combine table cells inside an existing document so you can clean up your layout, make headers look better, and organize your content more professionally. If this video helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, open the existing document that contains the table you want to edit. This can be a report, a form, a notes document, or any file where you've already inserted a table. If the table is already on the page, you're ready to go. Now take a look at the table and decide which cells you want to merge. To do that, click and drag your mouse across the cells you want to combine. Make sure you highlight only the cells you actually want to merge, because LibreOffice will use your selection exactly as it is. This is especially useful when you want to create a wider header cell across multiple columns or simplify a section of your table. Once your cells are selected, move up to the top menu and click on the table. This opens the table options for your document. From there, look for Merge Cells and click it. LibreOffice will instantly combine the selected cells into one single cell. After that, you'll see the contents of those cells brought together into one merged area. Depending on what was inside the cells before, you may want to adjust the text alignment or formatting so it looks neat and easy to read. You can also resize the row or column if needed to make the merged cell fit your layout better. And that's really all there is to it. Open your document, select the table cells, go to Table, and choose Merge Cells. It only takes a few seconds, but it can make a big difference in how your table looks and reads. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.